Hi there, my name's Gareth and welcome to National Safe Boating Week. Today we want to focus on know it. Know that your boat is seaworthy and know the limits of your vessel. We're going to talk about the platform because at the end of the day, if you can keep your boat upright and the water on the outside, then you're less likely to get into trouble or to have to rely on the other safety equipment that you're carrying. We've had a number of fatalities over the years which have resulted from boats with sealed decks accumulating a belly full of water below a deck. This means that the boat either sinks out from under people or it rolls over quickly, resulting in people in the water. So the best solution is to keep the water out in the first place. When you're launching your boat, make a verbal checklist with your passengers about checking the bungs, because the first thing we ask when boats sink not long after launching is whether or not the bungs were in. Monitor your engine bolts and any transom penetrations for water ingress. Think about your engine well. If you've got steering gear and fuel lines running through an engine well, then there should be no gaps. That's designed to keep the water out. If you have a sealed deck, you should have an efficient bilge pumping system. We often see trouble with kill tanks and bilge sumps, but also the perimeter of a deck where it meets the hull. If there's any failures in that, it's an easy place for water to accumulate below that deck that you are not able to see. In this water, it creates a free surface in the boat which can shift and roll the boat over really quickly. And so that's when you suddenly and unexpectedly enter the water. When you retrieve your boat, check for water in funny places. Don't make it the new normal, draining water out as you come up the ramp and down the road on the way home. You need to fix up those problems as they're spotted. And in terms of knowing the limits of your vessel, think about what wind strengths and wave heights your boat can handle. This will let you know when you should be heading for home or when you should stay at home. This also applies just as much to sailboats and to kayakers, kite surfers. Have a think about what your limits are. Thanks, stay safe.